Special delivery.
Yeah.
I don't know how to open it.
What's that one?
It's a special strap so that we can experience the VR as much as we want.
Oh, so it's VR.
Comes with an extra battery. Should I just keep going? We're gonna check things from a new perspective now. So, HATO is bringing the game to a new platform now. Ah, look at that, man. Beautiful.
Put him on.